Check this out, folks. We have a really cool car today, a 1969 American Motors AMX. This thing's loaded up. Under the hood's a 390, air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes, tilt wheel, and look at the amazing colors. And let's not forget about the Sidewinder exhaust. I can't wait to tell you all about this one. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I wore the right colors today, blue and gray. This is a factory Regatta Blue born car, and just beautiful with the silver, platinum silver interior. That's what came on the tag. So anyway, it has this cool design, sculpted hood here, all straight, all square, all fits real nice. Front fender also has lots of style and curves and nice contours and lines, and it looks like brand new. The pillar running up here is excellent. The roof is excellent. The door, all this is in excellent shape. Jambs are painted nicely. Shuts like new. Quarter panels got them nice lines. Has the fastback style. The trunk is all nice and clean. Car was sold new in California and then spent some time in Arizona. Really dry underneath. We'll get to that in a little bit. But the body is exceptionally clean, straight. Doesn't this look like a 69 Camaro right here? But again, just great lines. You have this indentation and this curve and this body line here. Straight. I don't see any issues with the body. I didn't see any damage or bubbles or anything. So I think the body is fantastic. Now again, the paint is a nice metallic, dark blue, clear coat, and it's in beautiful shape. There's a picture on our website. I literally have a stack of documentation like this for this car. Receipts going way back into the early 90s. And in there I found the paint formula. So if you ever did need to touch this up, we have the paint formula. It has the silver metallic stripes going all the way over the top. That's really cool. Color matched bumpers. Looks really nice as well. And then we have some side pinstripe. The wheels are also painted blue with the argent silver. Has real nice trim. Some nice looking BF Goodrich tires. The Sidewinder exhaust came out in May of '69, and it was an option that the dealer would put on. I have literature and all that paperwork, advertisements and that sort of thing. American Motors was selling the Sidewinder exhaust, which this has. The stock mirrors, the door handles look real nice. Original glass in back, overall very good. It has the optional chrome trunk rack on here. The tail light lens is original and in very good shape. Again, color matched bumpers. I just read a story on that. Somebody painted their bumper on their 68, and someone at AMX had seen that, and they actually put that into production as an option. So overall, all the chrome and trim, it's all very good. It's not brand new, but this is all very nice. The windshield, I knew there was one more thing I wanted to check. The windshield looks very clear. It's like an 8 out of 10. I don't see anything really wrong with it, but it's not brand new. So what a good looking car. Okay, the argent silver grille has been restored. That's a nice shape. It has the American Motors Owners Association Senior Award right there too. So there you have it. Now let's jump inside. I got a lot more to show you. All right, let's check out the trunk compartment. Under the trunk lid's painted nicely. I see a wire running up here, so I must have a trunk light somewhere. Stickers replaced. The jamb is real nice and clean. Talk about original metal. All the seams and spot welds look real nice. Weather strip is soft. So inside's painted blue. It has the mat. Has a California car cover, a clock, shop manual, little fire extinguisher. And over here we have the collapsible spare tire with the American Motors inflator bottle. And then we also have a jack here kind of wrapped up. So that's all there, all complete. Nice trunk compartment. And when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. I like this car. It's just different. and the colors and the options. So the jambs are painted nice, weather strips are replaced, and it is a genuine platinum interior car. You can see the silver door panels look like they're all new or restored. It has a little bit of blue accent, a little bit of wood grain. It's all in excellent shape. This blue carpeted dash pad actually looks nice on here, but even underneath the dash is in really nice shape. And it's, put this back real quick. And the gauges all look real nice. Has a tachometer, factory tachometer, all white face, original gauges. Does have a clock. Not working. It's twice a day, I should say. This is all nice, not cracked, not beat up. Here's the owner's manuals. The light works in here. You got the original vents. This is AMX number 07745. Has a factory AM/FM radio. There's a receipt that he had it professionally rebuilt and converted to FM stereo. I got static, but it might just be because of the building. The center console's in real nice shape. It's a shift commando. Has some nice screws for your license plates when you go to put them on. The light works. The seats are nice and plump. It's a legendary interior, premium interior. New cushions, new upholstery. Real nice carpet front to back. These seats also recline. They lay back or tilt forward. But it's all carpeted in back, no back seat. They never came with one. It has blue seat belts. All the trim's real nice. And then we got the correct headliner. I think there's kind of like a fiber board because I've seen some that were shot. This one looks to be in excellent shape. Silver visors, real nice mirror. And this steering wheel, too good to be original. The wood grain's not even worn, so it's either reproduction or restored. It is on a tilt column. All the interior lights look like they're working. Really nice inside here. Got some nice options too. Has the vacuum gauge, the tachometer. Has safe command brakes, shift command automatic. A lot of commands. So a beautiful engine compartment. I'll call this detailed. That is a 390. I verified it by the casting numbers. And it has the R4B, I think it is, Edelbrock intake that was available through AMX as an aftermarket performance item. So it's a rare aluminum intake. It does have an Edelbrock updated carb with electric choke. And then we've got the complete air cleaner assembly, even with the heat riser tube. The chrome valve covers have been redone, and this tag right here is correct. It is a 1969 390 according to that as well. And the whole engine bay you can see is really nice. All the lines, hoses, wires, everything looks good. It has the AMX windshield washer bag hiding back there. It has a pretty unique battery hold down bracket. Radiator, shroud, the rubber seal, all this looks proper. Air conditioned car. The compressor's been replaced. We charge the air. Also has power steering and power brakes, electric wipers. And again, all painted up really nice, detailed, hood insulation. It's a really nice engine compartment with some really nice features. Michael's going to go show you how this thing runs. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, I'm really excited about this little AMX that we got here, and I am really fond of these cars, and this one is just over the top with the options and color combos, and it's got this two-tone interior that I just can't get enough of, and then the contrasting exterior with the stripes there. It's really got a tough look to it. And the options, holy cow. Air conditioning is on and running now. It does have power steering, power front disc brakes, tilt column, remote mirror. I mean, this was really, really dressed up. Oh, and the side pipes, let's not forget those. They really get the juices flowing when you fire this thing up. And then it's got the really cool slotted heat shield on there that not only looks super tough, but is really practical as well. Put it in neutral real quick and give you a taste of this exhaust. Gotta love it. 390 under the hood, shift command, automatic. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without even trying. Yeah, these things, they're, you know, lightweight, nice big heavy motors in them. It's quick. Really liking this car. It feels like a real driver. You can take it anywhere. Let's see how it goes down the road. Alignment's really good on this one. Maybe just a little right there at the end, but really, really good alignment. Yeah. Check out all the details in depth on our website, volocars.com, and definitely come take it for a test drive if you'd like. It's a heck of a lot of fun, and yeah, we'd love to see you down here.
So Nate told me it was a California car. Wasn't surprised one bit because the floors are spotless. Looks like a chalkboard. They're just smooth as can be. They don't look like they've ever been cut up and patched, not pitted. Just nice smooth metal that were cleaned and dusted with some black paint. They look really nice and fresh. All the steering and suspension been redone over the years, maintained properly. It does have aftermarket front and rear sway bars. I noticed the shocks look exceptionally new. It is disc brakes in the front. I think the brake lines, hoses look like they've been replaced. The rear leaf springs look like they're fresh, and the nuts and bolts and hardware, they just look like they've been replaced not that long ago. The dual exhaust is on each side of the car, so it's kind of weird to not see exhaust underneath. Looking up at the motor, it's really nice and clean. Same thing with the shift command automatic. The rear end's clean, has all fresh bolts, so I'm sure the cover's been off, probably serviced. And our shop also checks each car, drives them, services them. So this thing should be all good to go. This is an unusual piece. We'll keep getting Camaros, we'll keep getting Chevelles. If you like this car right here, I suggest you call right away, hit the buy it now button, because there won't be another one of these in here. There'll be another AMX in the next year or so, but not this one. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get your AMX delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.